This is the largest steel behemoth on land, the Bagger 293, built by Germany's Krupp. Its sheer size is mind-blowing, 240 meters long, 96 meters tall, and weighing an astonishing 14,000 tons. To support this colossal machine, engineers equipped it with a 49-meter wide crawler chassis consisting of 12 tracks, each 3.8 meters wide. The 22-meter wide bucket wheel features 18 buckets. As it spins, it devours the earth, scooping up coal and dumping it onto the conveyor belt. Even when facing tough rock or frozen soil, its excavation capacity remains impressive, 240,000 cubic meters per day.